Two people spend $200,000 on a renovation. One home feels incredible, the other feels off. Same budget, similar scope, even similar materials, but when you walk in, one just works. Everything feels connected, considered, like it was meant to be that way. And the other? Nothing's technically wrong, but it never quite comes together. The difference isn't how much they spent. It's not even the construction. It's what happened before the build started. Today, I'll break down what actually makes a home feel designed, what most renovations get wrong, and how we approach it at Norseman. Interior design is deciding what a space will be before it's built. Not furniture, that's decorating. This is layout, materials, lighting, proportion. It determines whether a room feels right or doesn't. A good designer doesn't just make it look good, they make it work. How light moves through the space, what you see when you enter, where your eye wants to go. These decisions define everything, every material, every dimension, every detail. A design engagement starts with discovery. Understanding how you live, what you want the space to feel like, what success actually looks like for you. Then comes space planning, layouts designed around your life, not templates. Then a full material system. Everything selected to work together, not as individual choices. Then full documentation, drawings, specs, material schedules. What you leave with is buildable, not just an idea, a complete plan. Our clients usually know something isn't working. They've lived in the problem and thought about what they want instead. They understand renovations last decades, and getting it wrong is expensive. They're not chasing expensive materials, they want the right materials. Chosen with intention. Designed as a system, not a showroom look. Increasingly, they start with design early, before they're ready to build. So when construction starts, everything is already resolved. When we build it too, the result is different. The construction team understands the intent behind every decision. They don't interpret drawings, they execute them. Materials are already validated. No surprises, no substitutions, no disconnect between design and build. One vision, one timeline, one accountable team. If you want a home that feels designed, not just renovated, the place to start is design. We offer standalone design services, no commitment to build required. We'll show you what's possible, what it costs, what you'll get. NorsemanConstruction.ca. Link in the description.